Okay, hello everyone. Um, Today I just wanted to talk about one of my favorite platforms out there, one of my favorite training programs, and that is Wealthy Affiliate. If you followed my channel at all, you know that that's what I recommend to most people that are wanting to get into affiliate marketing. If they want to learn how to make money online and they want to do it the right way, then Wealthy Affiliate is definitely the way you want to go. But what I wanted to actually talk about today is, as if Wealthy Affiliate wasn't already great, they have recently upped their game even more. Okay. So you have everything from video training to classrooms to just the online community that's there to help you out with any question you might have. But now they've added a lot more to it. So let's just dive in, and I'm going to show you some of the new things that they've got going on. I've actually already logged in. So here I am. This is my profile page at Wealthy Affiliate. And so what I wanted to discuss with you today is what is called SiteContent. Okay, so it's a SiteContent, and this is what they have basically integrated into the WordPress platform from your Wealthy Affiliate dashboard. You can go here and actually create new content for your websites. Okay, so this has just been an absolutely, well, it's a time saver. It gets me writing more, to be honest with you. So this is the platform, right? This is it right here. So as you can see, this is how much I've written all time. They just came out with this several months ago, and I've published 17 articles with it. It says 3 of them unpublished. Those are probably my drafts. So I just haven't finished them yet. And you've got this great template area here. And so for me, I have some of them are preloaded. I believe this one's a preload. Privacy policy, and the affiliate disclosure are preloads that you can use. So let me just show you this keyword. I use this one a lot because it's just structured the way I typically like to write my articles. So here I'll put a title. Okay, so whatever the title for my blog post is going to be. And here's going to be my introductory content. So okay, and the reason I went ahead and wrote something out here is just to show you. If you notice down here, this is what I love about this. You're going to see how many words you've written. So far 38, and that includes this stuff right here. Okay, but so I've written 38 words. So as you're going along and you want to maybe hit the 500 word mark or even 1,000, this easily will show you right here where you're at. And that's one of the best features that I find for me, because one thing that I was finding when I was writing regular blog posts just through the WordPress platform is that, I'm thinking I'm writing this great article, and it turns out I've only written, I don't know, 150 words, or I've only written, 300 words. But I go ahead and publish it not knowing that how many words I've written. This really lets you keep track of it, okay? And it also lets you keep track of your paragraphs. Right here we have 6, because that's, like I said, this is a template, so it's already been preloaded. Here's a paragraph, here's a paragraph, paragraph. Okay. And then, we've got our 5 headings with the topic and idea. And so basically here would be your next topic, which topic number 1, whatever it's going to be, and then you're going to write about that. So if I was going to write about how to ride a bike, You know, I would start out with one of my first topics would be maybe how to pick a bike. Okay, and then I talk about how to pick the right size. Well, this would be content about picking the right size bike for you. So then I go through a whole couple paragraphs and stuff. Okay, so you get the idea. So then I go to topic number 2. But I love this template because you really do, it lets you just start writing, and you come up with your ideas and then go from there. And then usually I like to do, in my blog post, I like to do a little conclusion. Sometimes I'll change this, not to say conclusion, but like my final thoughts. Oops. My final thoughts or whatever. And so as you can see, what I just did there was I was able to change the H1, H2, H3, and then the paragraph headings. You can do bolds, italic, underline even. And then of course your alignment is right here as well. This is not fully integrated. They're still working on it. So a lot of the things you're able to do in the WordPress editor, you can't necessarily do here, but you get the basic article down, and then you can go in and re-edit within your WordPress. So, but I love what they have, and you can even add a link. So let's say right size bike, we're going to insert a link to whatever URL that might talk about that. Maybe it's a Wikipedia article, whatever. And you can open it in a new window. And here's the other thing. You can also choose from your existing sites that are hosted here at Wealthy Affiliate. You can choose another article, which I don't have anything about bikes, so I mean, I don't know why I would have picked that. But so let's say I want this article right here and use this link. That doesn't apply to this particular article, so I would not do that, but you get the idea. Okay, you can also do list. So you can do your bullet points like that. Okay. Or you could do an ordered list, like number 1 through 5 or whatever. I want to add a horizontal line, as you can see right there. Get your horizontal line for a break. And the newest thing that they just added to this particular SiteContent tool is they added the image feature, so you can add images. And what they've done is you can do your own, just like normal, so you can pull from your computer or your files and upload whatever you want, but these are some of the ones I've used recently in some of my articles. That's why they're being pulled up. But you can also search. So let's search for bikes. Now all of these are going to be ones that you're allowed to use. So they're royalty free, okay? And so these are just stock photos, royalty free photos, and you can just pick from here. So let's pick that one. You can crop using the circle feature, which I actually like that a little better than just having all of my pictures be in a square. So this is kind of cool. So I think I'll go with that. You can also align it. If you want to link this particular picture to something, you've got your link to URL. And once again, you can also link it to another post you've already made. Okay, so see that picture? I really do like this circle. It's awesome. You can kind of resize it in here a little bit. Let's see, to make sense. But I love that we are now allowed to add not only pictures that you've stored on your computer, but the ones that are royalty free. You don't have to worry about am I allowed to use this picture? Am I not allowed to use this picture? These are all put in here, and you can search for absolutely anything. I mean, as you can see here, this is for one of my articles about mosquito repellent for my camping website. I was able to find a mosquito. And here's some about some pasta from one of my recipes, but you can search for absolutely anything. Keyboards, you know, you've got all kinds you can choose from. So I love that feature. That's really awesome. It's a great time saver because I don't want to go searching all over the internet for a picture of a bike when I can just easily from here as I'm writing my article go boom, you know, and add a couple images. So the next thing I want to talk about is you have a save feature here, which I'm not going to do right now, but you also have an auto save. Okay, and so you'll have your different versions of it. If something gets messed up, or maybe you're like, oh, I don't want to do that, and you can go back to your auto saves, or you can just constantly hit save if you're paranoid about saving. But here's the next thing I want to talk about. They've also got this great grammar checker, spell check, grammar check. You just click it, and here it is, checking punctuation, grammar, spelling, everything. And what it'll do is it'll start up at the top of the page, and it'll make suggestions for you. So obviously I haven't really written content in here, so we're not going to have a lot, but let's say I wanted to change that word to your. It thinks I don't want to use you. I'm not sure why it thinks that, but I can just do that and it changes it. Or if I misspelled bullet, okay, we'll do the check and grammar. It should come up this time. Okay, now it wants me to change it back to your, but okay, here we go. So as you can see, it could be bullet or it could be bullet, and you just click on it and you're good. Here it doesn't think this is grammatically, it thinks that you shouldn't put topic/idea. Oh, 3 consecutive successive sentences. Okay, I get it. It'll do this as well, just so you are, it helps your writing style. You don't want to just constantly be saying the same thing over and over again, so that's why that's there. But you can always hit ignore word. Ignore always. Okay, so that's how it goes. So when you're done with your article and you've written your content out, all you have to do from here is publish. Okay, you're going to choose your website. I've got several to choose from. Do it as a post or a page, and then publish it. I'm not going to publish this, obviously, but this is just an example. So that's basically it. And what you have to do after that is go to your WordPress editor and just kind of tweak a little bit. Sometimes, you know, you might want to change once you get it in WordPress and you see how it looks. You might want to change the headings, you know, for your theme. That's really the point. Is everybody has a different theme, so you just want to go in and check it. But in all reality, SiteContent, I'll go back to my dashboard here, is incredible. As you can see, I've published 17 since they've created it. I've got all kinds of things, and there's just so much more that you can do with this. I'm just kind of touching on the basics and showing you how it works. And this tool alone is worth the price of premium. Premium membership has so many benefits. But the SiteContent, this new tool, has just allowed me to up my game as far as writing content consistently for my site. And so I just wanted to kind of walk you through it a little bit and show you kind of what it's about. And if you're interested in getting into Wealthy Affiliate and you want to know more about the you know, affiliate marketing and how you can make money being an affiliate marketer, like I said, this is one of the best platforms to learn. There's so much to learn in here. I mean, look at all these classrooms, okay, just about everything, okay. And then you also have the Wealthy Affiliate program, which is where, you know, you can make money for one by referring other people, but you have 7 courses right here just on how to promote Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, you've got live chat, which is going on right now. You can search for, if you have a question, you know, how do I add a link to my blog? Okay. And here's always, you know, answers that come up. How do I add a link to my blog roll on a static page? You know, you can ask a question, or you can search for a question, I should say. And of course, you can always ask your own question if you have a specific question you want. So that's it. That's all I'm going to talk about today. Like I said, there's a lot more that Wealthy Affiliate is about to reveal for the coming year. They're doing a whole lot, and the SiteContent is just one of the many things that they're doing. So, yeah, that's my kind of review of the SiteContent tool here at Wealthy Affiliate. If you like it, go ahead and you know, sign up and get started. And I wish you all the best. And I'll leave a link in the description so that you can sign up. It's free to sign up. I forgot to mention that. You don't have to go to the premium membership. That's just my suggestion. And once you get in, you'll see how much value there is. And most people do go ahead and get the premium membership just because it's just incredible. So that's it for today, guys. I will see y'all in the next video.